So I saw your question on discussion board. You want to convert 185 to an octal number. So one way to do that is take 185 divided by 8. 8 will go in 185 23 times with a remainder of 1. The remainder is 1. Then you come down here and you take the 23, divide it by 8. It'll go 2 times, it'll be 16 with a remainder of 7. And you take the 2, divide by 8, it'll go in there 0 times, remainder's 2. You keep the continuous process till you get a 0, and that's when you stop. And what you're interested in is the remainders. And so you get remainders 1, 7, 2. You reverse that order. 185 in decimals, same as 271 octal. And down here I went and checked it. You take this place, you'd multiply by 8 squared. This one you'd multiply by 8 first, and this one you'd multiply by 8 to 0. So that'd be 2 times 64, 128. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 to 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. The sum, sure enough, is 185. Hope this helps.